Alright G1, today we're testing something smarter than both of us combined. And no, it's not you.
Initiating cleaning protocol. Target messy human habitat.
He's not wrong. Let's see what this thing can really do. Check it out, so this here's our packaging, this here is our box. Let's open it up. Inside the box, you'll find the new Eureka E20 Plus. It's transparent, self-emptying base, the mop pads, water tank, power cable, and a quick start guide. Now, besides that, just looking at this particular robot vacuum, seems pretty simple in design. You have your dual suspension, you have a dual brush system, you have the mop pad that essentially kind of drags, and then you have a single spindle brush here. It's more of a simplistic design, but not too bad to stay. Now on the back side here, you'll see our compartment for our water. So we have ourselves our dust collection bin, which is going to be right over here. And then over here in the back, we have our water housing, which is all in one unit. And this will slide right here. And then besides that, you have a push sensor, a LiDAR, and then you have a few drop sensors from what I'm seeing as well. Now this is where the magic kind of happens. So the unique thing behind this is that there's no bags, completely bagless. You have this really futuristic looking kind of design to it, a very cylinder shape here. You have a locking mechanism on the top here to remove this. You just do that. And then from there, you just push this button here. This will go ahead and release the containments and kind of drop it into the garbage can. And then it also opens up even furthermore. If you have to clean it out, you'll notice that there is a filter in there. And then this is all essentially removable. So you can individually clean this up. I love the colors on this thing. Definitely gives it a very sporty edge. Putting it back together is just inverse. Slap that there, and that's all there's to it. So definitely a large compartment that can house a good amount of dirt. So you don't have to worry about emptying it for a little bit. And that'll lock in, and then this will also serve as our charging station. And other than that, there's really not much to it. So with that said, let's go ahead and set this thing up next and try it out. This right here is actually one of my favorite parts, the bagless base station. No more replacing dust bags every month. It's transparent, eco-friendly, and you can literally see the cyclone dust collection in action. Eureka says you get up to 45 days of hand-free cleaning, which is basically means I might not touch a robot vacuum again till next month, unless we review another one next week.
Debris collection successful. Human labor minimized.
The E20 Plus takes everything great from the E10s and levels it up. We're talking 8,000 PA suction power, AI-based 3D obstacle avoidance, and an anti-tangle brush that pet owners will love.
Anti-tangle verified. My hair envy is increasing.
Same here, buddy. Now the dreaded hair test. Normally this tangles most rollers. The anti-tingle roller is no joke. I ran multiple passes and the brush stayed clean. If you've got pets, you'll love this. Let's see how this thing handles heavier debris, aka the pom-pom test. These simulate small toys or crumbs. Clean sweep, 8,000 PA suction in action. And this one we'll call the snowstorm test. It actually handles this better than I expected, not a single piece left behind. Now let's push its brain power. This is where the Duo Detect AI 3D obstacle avoidance comes in. Even in low light mode, it avoids everything, and that's thanks to its enhanced night vision sensors.
Obstacle avoidance superior to your driving.
Rude, but accurate. So all the abilities are right here in the Eureka app, and you can see it live mapping, set no-go zones, as well as schedule cleanings and even customize suction or water levels for each room. Pretty slick. It even auto lifts the mop when it senses carpet, so your rug stays dry. Now the best part, hands-free emptying. You'll see the cyclone kicking through the transparent tank. Looks kind of like a mini tornado.
Affirmative. 5 stars.
Couldn't have said it better myself. So here's the verdict. The Eureka E20 Plus is easy as ever, stronger than ever. Power suction, smart obstacle avoidance, and no dust bags to mess with. If you're thinking of upgrading, search Eureka 20 Plus on Amazon or hit the link in the description below. You'll see why even my robot approves.